Now that we've gone into how to create a static title in some detail, I'd like to discuss how we can create an animated title. And in order to do this, I'd like to remove the title we have already created from my title track. I simply select it and use the delete key to remove it. In my bin, this title is still in the titles folder, so I can use it anytime I need it in the future. But for now, I'd like to actually create a new title. And to do this, I'll use the function that is available to me directly from the bin by right mouse clicking here in the content of my title folder and choosing New Clip, Quick Titler. And now, if I go into an empty title, or when I select the background of a title, which I can do by choosing the Select Object tool and clicking here in the background, then I can see up here that I have background properties. And here, the first thing we see is the option Title Type, and it is set to Still, and it has been set to Still since we started working. This implies that we are creating a still title, and if I now click on it with the left mouse button, then various options appear, and these are Roll from Bottom, Roll from Top, Crawl from Right, and Crawl from Left. What this means is that from here, I can specify a moving title, and the option I'd like to use first is the Roll from Bottom option. I'll select it and go back here with my text tool. I'll click somewhere here and I'll start to type a text over multiple lines. I'll keep adding some extra lines. And what we can see here is that on the right-hand side of the preview window, a scroll bar appears, with which I can scroll down through my text. And we also get a dividing line created from these dots. And this shows me where the borders are between various complete screens. I'd like to now view it from within Edius, so I'll go here to the diskette symbol to save. And now I'll drag and drop this title onto my timeline, to my title track. I'll have a look at it, but maybe with a different background. So I'll position it here. And so now we can see that our title scrolls from the bottom to the top through the screen. What I don't like for the minute is the speed. It's rather fast. And to adjust this, all I need to do is change the length of my title in the timeline. This means that if I want my text to run slower, then the title block has to be longer. In so doing, the same amount of text will be scrolled through the screen over a longer period. This means that the text runs more slowly. Of course, it would work exactly the same the other way round. If the text was too slow, then, to speed it up, I simply shorten the text block.